a smart farmer from Chennapatna again, who is into integrated farming. Integrated in the sense intercrop, one crop under the other, which is the concept of Nammalvar and people like this in Tamil Nadu. I don't know the pioneers in Karnataka, but this is the new way of doing agriculture, and this will help get the maximum benefit out of the land. So this is a 4.5 acre land owned by Mr. Manjesh and family. They work as a family. They do their best to make the most of it. The main crop is coconut. That is the trick. The main crop has to be the coconut, and along with it is put a variety of crops and variety of activities, which helps him, give income in a regular manner. Look at that, a fish pond surrounded by drumsticks. So you don't waste that water. The water which is the wet soil actually helps grow for the drumsticks, and it is surrounded. So that is the trick. A fish pond, you get fish also, you can grow fish also, and you grow drumstick all around for home use, extra use, whatever it is the purpose. And then he's put ragi. This is the blue thing you see is his house, and this is next to his house. So he's put ragi, and in ragi actually he's put two varieties. One is the usual black ragi which we all use, and he's also experimenting now with another variety which I don't know the technical name, but it is supposed to be called white ragi, and this has been supported by the government of Karnataka, and he's doing it on a trial basis this year. We wish him luck. It is next to his house. Maintenance is almost, walking distance is almost nil. So this will help. This is the kind of agriculture we do. The other piece of the land, so this is a ragi plant again, a close-up view. The other piece of the land which I told you is right opposite to his house. So totally he's doing around 4.5 acres of agriculture now. He is an award-winning farmer, and he's been already awarded for all the innovations he's been doing. So we are just here to show you, what more can be done out of 4.5 acres. So that's the main farm, the 4.5 acres farm, and this is situated right opposite his house. And on the right you can see smaller plants like the tomatoes which are growing, which are green now. It's yet to give an yield. And surrounded is coconut. The main crop here is coconut. And coconuts, to give you a small figure, it is around say 100 to 200 nuts per year as per the variety and the ground conditions and etc. things like that. So you calculate into say if you have around 300 coconut trees in a 4.5 acre farm, so that is your main income. So this will all give you extra income. For the example, the tomatoes on the left side which we are seeing now, the tomatoes which you already saw there. So these are all 3 months crop, 2.5 months crop. So it gives you a little money now and then, and this helps grow the other one, and weed is totally in control is what they say. For the coconut tree, if you just leave it like that, you'll find grass down, it will become weeds, and all that has to be cleaned. So instead, if you put crops like this, it is helpful. And cows, of course, cows are the best for manure, and he uses most of the cow's manure for his farms only. He even ties it there only, so that it is easier to throw it up there. And behind you see the Kofor plantation. This is grass for the cow. There are a lot of varieties: Kofor, Napier, Red Napier, etc. etc. Lot of latest varieties which are coming up, which are of high protein actually, and very useful for the cows. And that is a native breed, the bull, which is kept it for auspicious purpose, and just because he wants to grow a native breed also. So this land is in preparation for vegetation crop, something like he would like to experiment with beetroots or carrots or some vegetable crop, I guess, is what his next plan is. And what you see next is again interesting, which is again another variety of grass, Co4 kind of varieties, which is for the fodder management for the cows and all the other animals. Yes, he also has goats, everything, which I couldn't cover. So he's got a couple of goats, ducks, a chicken, everything. So this is called the integrated farming method. Everything supporting everything else. And here you can see these are all this for the silkworm, mulberry plants. I hope I'm correct. Mulberry plants, I guess. And then, as usual, the very many varieties of banana is what he has put. All a mixed variety. He was telling about 2-3 varieties. So, all a mixed variety. It's better to put mixed variety because the yield is more and it is better. And still, these are under the coconut trees. You can see that. So, what else is under the beautiful coconut trees or the beautiful yielding coconut trees? Let's see. This part is done. You won't believe it. He's done vegetation. That is daily market vegetation. And this is brinjals. He's done brinjals here, which is yet to grow, which is yet to come out. But this is the trick the farmer follows. He's got just 4.5 acres, but covered with coconut trees mainly. And then he's put small sectors of different. See, that is jasmine. The one you see now is jasmine flowers. This is daily life. When it is in season, you get an income daily. Brinjal is weekly. Banana is same monthly. You even get things out of the leaves, banana leaves. So that is the magic of a farmer. The banana, as I said, leaves, trunks, fruit, everything gives you money. And this is the water can be held. Water can be, you need not water the coconut separately. It's a wonderful idea to do all this. Another big advantage or another way of seeing profits in agriculture is mostly working yourself when the farm is small. So these people, Manjesh and his family, they are 4. Manjesh, his brother, his father and his mother. So since the house is right opposite, they all work in the farm. They try to cut down labor as much as possible. Only when there is a necessity is when they take labor, and that he says is the main element. Instead of doing internet farming, instead of doing CCTV farming, this is the way farming has to be done for maximum yield out of the minimum land. So that is the heroes. These are the heroes, son and father, energetic, unmarried, youth, Manjesh and his lovely dad. And they do a very much hard work. You can, by the look of it, you can see how much hard work they have put in. And 100%, if you put in that kind of hard work, you got to see results. And we wish Manjesh all the best, and their family all the luck and all the best wishes, because he has been an example farmer. He's been awarded through the government of Karnataka, and very helpful, and is very helpful, ready to help anybody at any point of time, and provide guidance to people like that. So please do comment if you want to learn from him how to do agriculture, or how to mix crops and do agriculture, how to benefit from agriculture, and how to make profits from a small piece of land. So he is ready to help. I am ready to help. We'll do our best to connect you with people or help you out. Do subscribe. And to end it up, they have small plants around their houses which can be used for daily purpose. Even a pepper crop growing right in their home wall, which will be enough for their usage per year. They did not go outside and buy pepper also. So these are our tricks. For these tricks, do subscribe. We'll connect you to people, and let's do farming as an enjoyment ever after.